to be using a straw because I'm in a bold lip.
And I'm going to be using a straw because I don't want to drink too much. Fresh, I think it feels like a real alcohol and not something that, it feels like it was something thought of by Bethany herself, like in the test kitchen.
Yes, and I think it's the heaviest bottle, like the best to hit someone over the head with.
Oh.
It's a weapon.
It really is. Have a glass and give a listen to her
That's a lot of work.
take.
I have to listen? Okay. I'm listening.
And
What
what's
are you
it saying
hearing?
to
I'm hearing
you?
a lot.
I'm hearing broken dreams.
And there's a lot of like tape.
Well,
on
why
this.
is there plastic over the... How are you
Famous
supposed to get
dumpster.
into this?
Points off for this.
Yeah, it's like Lisa's like, I know, I didn't want you to get into that love. It's so bad. I can't, I mean.
I might hurt somebody.
Boo.
Boo, Vanderpump.
Boo.
In this case, Vanderpump does not rule.
Good one, Danielle.
Worked on that for a while.
And it's a twist off, so it's like they're making it as hard as possible before you just simply twist it. This is ridiculous. Ow.
Here for
This is honestly ridiculous.
this is a whole separate segment.
This is literally, I'm sure you've cut this, but we've been here for 10 minutes trying to just simply get into the bottle.
And you can't, like, it doesn't start and then
All over.
I'm exhausted.
I want
Maybe
the
we need
viewers
more
to see
alcohol.
this.
Yeah, get a zoom in on that.
This is how this twist off bottle came packaged. I love that they don't even give it any more creative a name than just peach flavored sparkling wine.
They're very it's
Right?
peach flavor.
Yeah.
What do you want? Just like,
And
it's peach.
the other one's strawberry.
What else you gotta say?
It's like, oh, okay. I'm trying to enjoy a nice glass of champagne.
Get out of my way. It's peach flavor.
Get the out of here! I'll break it over your head.
Now enjoy.
You guys, the worst thing in the world almost happened, which is that this almost spilled on the only good thing we have to eat after this, and I was horrified. I was like, no!
You had like a mother's instinct, like saving a child from under a tire. You're like, my baby! Swooped it out of the way like a superhero.
Wow.
How would you rank them from best to worst?
I said, 3 is unfiltered blore, unfiltered blore. I'm drunk. And not.
I'm afraid I'm gonna spill it. This is the.
Yo, you get your straw.
There you go. Just dip into that.
So this is what we didn't drink. It's a purple sludge, I would call it.
Yeah, a poisonous mix of a lot of alcohol.
Oh, this is making me very nervous.
That's a lot of combo with that.
It actually, I gotta say, all mixing together tastes like most of them did on their own.
They don't taste
The
that
sum of their
different.
parts
Yeah,
is
what they are individually.